Morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn chapter 7, Being Afraid of Punishment. That half of lesson we finished. Again, remaining lesson we are going to learn now. All of you listen to me carefully. Yes, I got my handbook signed, but before I showed the handbook to my father, I made some changes in my marks. If I show the handbook to the teacher, she will surely know that I have changed my marks. I am afraid of punishment, said Rahul. That much we stopped last Monday. Okay, again remain. Next paragraph onwards we are going to learn. But when the teacher asks you for your handbook, what will you do? Asked Prince. Prince asking, teacher will ask for your handbook, what you will do? I will tell her that I forgot to bring it, said Rahul. Rahul said, I will say lie, I forgot to bring. Already he brought, then he will say to teacher, I will not bring. I forgot to bring. Okay. If you are afraid of punishment, you should should not do wrong things, said Prince. His friend said, if you are afraid of punishment, you should not do wrong things. Please, Prince, help me this time. Next time I will not do such things, said Rahul. One time, forgive me. That only this time only I asking for your handbook. Only this time you have to give me your handbook, and that way he is telling. Next time onwards I am not going to do any wrong things. Then what? Sorry, Rahul, I cannot help you in this matter. Prince said, in this matter I cannot help you. What a good friend, no? Sorry, Rahul, I cannot help you in this matter. Helping others to do wrong things is also wrong, said Prince. If I am not, he already did a wrong thing, and then Rahul also Prince also helping him that way, then this wrong things he also doing. That is why he denied. But the teacher will punish me. But just to escape punishment, we should not make more mistake. In your case, you have already made 3 mistakes. In your case, you made already 3 mistakes. And then again, more mistake, don't do. Repeat it. That way, Prince is saying. Part 3 mistake. Ask Rahul. He doesn't know that what all mistake he did also. He doesn't know. Rahul asking to Prince, 3 mistakes, what is it? Yes, your first mistake was that you did not study well. Your first mistake was that Prince said to Rahul, first mistake, what is it? You did not study well. Then another, that is why you failed in the examination. That is why you did not study well. That is why you failed the examination. Your second mistake was that you changed the marks. Then second mistake, you changed the marks. And your third mistake is that you are hiding your handbook and telling lies that you forgot it. The third mistake, you hiding your handbook and telling lies that you forgot it. We will always be afraid if we tell lies and make mistakes, said Prince. We will always be afraid if we tell lies and make mistakes, said Prince. But what shall I do now? Asked Rahul. In this case, what I will do? come, let us go to the teacher and tell her everything. And now let us go to teacher and what all happened that will tell to our teacher. She may punish you, but teachers punish us only for our good. If we are behaving this way, surely they will punish, but for teachers punish us for our good only. Once we say sorry, we need not be afraid of anything. Once we say sorry, we need not be afraid of anybody. Any mistake we are doing, we have to say directly and go. Teachers or parents, anywhere we are mistaking, there we go and say sorry, and no need to afraid of anybody. Otherwise, mistake we are doing, we did not get any peace in our mind. But if my daddy comes to know of this, asked Rakul, if my daddy is come to know what to do, you can say sorry to your daddy and ask him to forgive you. He will be happy. After that, you need not be afraid of your daddy. Then if you are come to know your daddy, you also say to daddy, sorry to daddy also. Then no need to afraid of anybody. Yes, I will do that, said Rahul. Rahul said, now coming this matter, and Prince is making him to understand all these things and how to want behavior and all. This he was the nice, he got the nice friend, that is why guiding this way. Okay. When remember children, you have to, whenever we friendship with our friends, we have to faithful to them, and this way you have to behave to our friends also. Okay. Yes, I will do that, said Rahul. By that time, the first bell rang and Rahul and Prince went to the class. This much talking and conversation and all over. That time, first bell rang, they went to class. See children, sometimes we are also like Rahul. We make mistake and then we are afraid of punishments. So we make more mistakes to escape from punishments. We tell lies to our parents, our teachers, our principal, and others. For some time, they may believe us and we may escape from punishment. But one day, the truth will come out and we will get more severe punishments. One day, the truth will come out. That the time we will caught. Okay. Then we have to avoid the telling lies, and we will make mistake and said sorry, and that what happened, what you did, you have to tell your teachers, friends or parents also. You said them, and we come straight forward. Okay. All of us make mistake at some time or the other. But when we know that we have made a mistake, we should say sorry and should be ready to accept any punishment. We have to ready. When we will make mistake, that we have to accept it and say sorry. Okay, this is the only solution for that. Then everything will be over. Then we hide our mistake. We will live in fear always. We hide the mistake and we will leave that. We will fear always. Okay. We must also remember that helping others to do bad things. We must remember that helping others to do bad things. It is also wrong. We should not tell lies to help our friends. It is wrong. But as Prince did, we should help others to correct their mistake. What Prince did, that way he have also to do and correct it our mistake. Okay. This is the lesson. This is the being afraid of punishment. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Then let us remember, always do right and avoid punishment. Remember, always do right and avoid punishment. Okay. We are doing all things right. Sometimes we will always make a mistake. Okay. Then you have to say sorry and straightforward. We have to go, don't tell lies and all. We have to remember. Okay, this way. This is the lesson, being afraid of punishment. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. You read the lesson and this question answer and one word answer and all I will give you in PDF. You have to write and study. Okay, that is homework for this week. Next Monday we will meet again. Okay, thank you children.